Previously on Toyosi Takes India.
Maybe I made some mistakes. Maybe you shouldn't
Say hello, everyone.
We'll visit the biggest mosque in India, Jama Masjid.
So we've just changed money, and you guys, I'm so excited because my trip mate just gave me for missing my flight.
need you, but I want you. If you hate me, you're supposed to. I'm that someone you lean all your weight on. If you don't need me, why you call me in the night?
Hi guys, good morning. It is day 3 in Bali, and today we're going to the Taj Mahal. Everyone is wearing just t-shirts and leggings, and we have our saris. The plan is for us to change our saris out there. I'm really excited for what we're about to do. We're leaving as early as 5 o'clock, and you guys, I'm really excited. So come with us to Taj Mahal. This is T Takes India. We're headed to Taj Mahal. It's currently 6:40 and we're right in front of Taj Mahal. The queue is crazy. Like, it is unbelievable that at 6:40 in the morning everyone is out. But I'm excited and I cannot even wait to get on with whatever it is that we have to do here. Most importantly, I'm excited about wearing the sari and just, you know, get the whole feel. And yeah, come with me, guys.
Those days and rest of the year they were used as workers' offices because Shah Jahan, the king, he allowed public only once in a year to come and visit this place. That was on every death anniversary of his wife when he made donation and charities. So these rooms used for that purpose. And now we can go inside, but please be in a group because it is very crowded inside. If you go here and there, problem. And one more thing, let me introduce the gentleman. He is a photographer here, professional photographers.
Maybe I made some mistakes. Maybe you shouldn't talk that way. Really matter if the best mate or if we wore the same shirt that day.
So we're going to a garden and we're in a rickshaw. Say hello, everyone. Hello. 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 Abby.
Yes,
Say hello.
Hello. No, namaste.
Namaste. Go Charlie. Now in my full sari and the whole shebang, we're walking to Taj Mahal now to take pictures with the monument itself. I won't even lie, it's been a beautiful morning, but I'm getting tired and hungry because we left the hotel at 5:30, 5:50 in the morning. So we haven't had breakfast. I'm very hungry now. And we've been here for about 2-3 hours walking around. So we've taken the place in, we want pictures now, and then we can then go back to the hotel to have breakfast. But otherwise, India, it's been amazing. We're back from Taj Mahal and we're now going back to the hotel to grab breakfast. It was a nice time, although I am currently exhausted and I cannot wait to get back to the hotel and just, you know, first of all rest because I've literally been on my feet since like 5:50. So I'm very tired and hungry, but overall it was a nice experience. The place is beautiful. I definitely recommend if you find yourself in India, you should be here. So we're going back to the hotel now to have breakfast and pretty much then start our day. So excited, let's go. finished having dinner at Salt Cafe in Agra, and I absolutely recommend. If you find yourself in India or in Agra and you're thinking of what to eat or where to, get good food, you should definitely stop by. The food was good. It was a hit back to back. We tried different things and they were all good. And also, most importantly, service was amazing. This person who served us, his name is Kapao. He was such an amazing guy. I absolutely recommend. So on our way back now to the hotel, let's go home.
The people that did not read the itinerary.
So what's your problem?
They say for you, is this woman Elaine? And she still did not pass.
I was like, oh my god.
She did not read it.
So on our way back to the hotel,
and she still did not pass.
they are currently roasting me. They are currently roasting me,
So this is her second
which
trip to
is
go
fine.
journey. The people that have done one trip, you have done two. Yes, you tell your people.
I am currently being roasted, honestly, because I didn't read. Like tonight has been crazy, but it's good. It's good.
Not tonight, anything.
I love the vibe.
Not tonight.
Is this Alero?
Hey everyone.
Let's see your face.
So,
Those who snatch down your camera.
Oh my god, it's Alero that has been roasting me. This Alero
Beautiful.
is supposed to be my girl, but
I'm still your girl.
oh
I'm
my
still your
god.
girl. I'm just telling you that your attention to details.
When she's talking like this, she online? She's
No,
I'm recording, I'm vlogging. That you people are roasting me.
vlogging live?
Everybody on the bus is roasting me.
Vlog and then you edit.
They're roasting me, which is good. Like, I love it. At least I have energy to argue because I've eaten. So on our way back to the hotel, I cannot wait. I'm tired. I've eaten food. Now I just want to get to the hotel and just freshen up and go to sleep. However, we've had a really nice day in Agra today, and yeah, still enjoying India. Oh, you guys, back to the hotel now, and I am just so tired. Put my hair in a bun. I am going to wash my face and have a bath, freshen up pretty much in a moment. But I'm just so tired that I needed to just sit here for a moment and, catch my breath. We've been out since 5:50 in the morning. We've been out all day. Literally, we went out to Taj Mahal, did the whole sari, shenanigan, came back, changed into different clothes, then went to another baby Taj. We just went around. It's been an eventful day, and I absolutely enjoyed every bit of it. And then we went to eat. Food was really, really good. We went to the Salt Cafe in Agra. Food was so good. I recommend. If you find yourself in Agra, find yourself in India, I definitely recommend you check Salt Cafe. The guy that served us, his name is Kappa. It was such an amazing, amazing guy. And honestly, the food, maybe 10 over 10. Honestly, 10 over 10. Like, nothing was bad. Everything was so good. Now we're back. I just want to rest, and we're actually planning to go back to the terrace tonight and just go and sit there and chit chat with the girls, have some fun before we all retire to sleep, because tomorrow is another big day. We're going to be traveling for 5 hours. But overall, India has been very, very good to me. I honestly have no regrets. And if you're considering it, you're thinking about coming to India, I say do it, because, the money is going to come back, but the memories, the experience will be lost forever. So, this is me officially closing out the vlog for today. And it's been an amazing ride. It's been an amazing day. You would agree with me. I will catch you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.
Heart's been broken, you're facing